Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is the lecture series of automotive engines and emission control. And then in this video we discuss about the direct and indirect injection combustion chambers for CA engine. So it starts with in an open combustion chamber, the space between the piston and the cylinder head is open, and there is no restriction in between. So this is what the open combustion chamber describes. There is an open combustion chamber. The space between the piston and the cylinder head is open. So therefore, all air is contained in single space between the piston and the cylinder head. So the fuel is directly injected inside this space. So that's why it is known as direct injection engine, or instead of DI engine, that is the direct injection engine. So to achieve better combustion and swill, different types of cavity are formed in piston crown and cylinder head. So if you take or if you going to mix air and fuel properly, so you should have a proper swill, and so that the air fuel is mixed properly in proper ratio. So in some case the space of the shape of cylinder head provides a cavity to create favorable conditions for better mixing and better burning. So there are the key features that are associated with the open combustion chambers are: a less turbulence is generated in this time, so heat loss is less, and then the starting is easier. So excess air required is more, so engine size increases, the thermal efficiency also increases. And the third one, generally they are used for large capacity and low speed engine application. And then we will get the sorry yeah, we will get a low speed engine. And so this is open type combustion chamber. And then we have a cavity in the piston crown, that is the top of the piston. We have a cavity, so in that the air and fuel is mixed properly, so that we get and we have a different types of the piston also. That is a piston crown starts with shallow depth. The first one, that is a figure A, it shows the shallow depth, and second one hemispherical, and the third one is cylindrical, and then fourth one is a truncated cone. So these are the different shape of the piston crown is formed in the open combustion type. And the next one is the advantages with this, that the thermal efficiency is high because heat loss are less, and then it is easier starting because heat or transfer losses are less, and then simple in construction. In case of slow speed engines, less costly fuel will with a longer delay can be used. And then some disadvantages with this type of engine is engine size, because becomes large for generating same power output due to the large excess air is required. So due to less turbulence, the high injection pressure is required with multiple hole nozzle. And then finally we have a maintenance cost is higher. And then pre combustion chamber, a small additional combustion chamber called as pre combustion chamber is connected with the main combustion chamber, where the fuel is injected with this pre combustion chamber. So both of these combustion chamber are connected with a small hole. So the fuel is injected in the pre combustion chamber is again feed into the main combustion chamber. So as fuel is injected, the combustion starts at pre combustion chamber, and then the product of combustion will be rushed out through the small hole is in the bottom of the pre combustion chamber. Again it is feed into the main chamber, so that it increase the high velocity, and it generate a high turbulence, so that we get the high spill, which produce the bulk combustion in the main combustion chamber. So 80% of energy is released in the main combustion chamber. So the first combustion starts at pre-combustion chamber. It is due to high temperature of it, and it propagates to main combustion chamber. so so the delay period is reduced, and then the poor grade fuel can also be easily burnt. So the pre-combustion is taking place in the pre-combustion chamber, and then after that it is feed into the main combustion chamber, so that the ignition delay period is reduced as much as possible, so that we get the proper combustion process. So this is the pre-combustion chamber. It is attached in the above the main combustion chamber. So we have, yeah, different types. So the advantages with that is the fuel with a wide range of CT number can be used. Injection pressure is low. Simple fuel nozzle can be also used. A smoother running of engine, and then it can run at the high speed. The minimized ignition delay period. And then the disadvantages with this is the engine design become complicated due to pre-combustion chamber, and the heat loss from pre-combustion chamber is high, and due to high heat loss, the cold start is difficult, and then the fuel combustion is high, and the thermal efficiency is low. So these are the different types of the direct injection, and then we have its own advantages and then disadvantages. Thank you.